How to find Binance User ID. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can find your Binance User ID. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So Binance User ID is a unique identification number assigned to each Binance account. It is used to identify individual on Binance platform and is commonly used to require for such tasks as account verification and referral programs. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Binance account. Now, once you have logged into your Binance account, you can use either the app or the website as well. That's totally fine. You will be able to find your user ID on both of them. The first thing you need to do is tap on this little Binance icon on the top left. And once this is open, you will see your profile. And right above your name, you will see this ID. Go ahead and long press on it, and you will be able to copy your ID from there. So just tap on your profile, tap on copy ID like this, and here you should be able to paste your ID wherever you want, whether it's for account verification, referral programs, or customer support. And that's how you easily find your Binance user ID. If you found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. I'll see you guys on the next one.